got a package from Slay by Shaye. And the information will be in the description box below, so you can order you some. And yes, I brought this with my own money, my own coins. Yes. So let's get into it. So when I open it, looks like that when I open it. Cute, cute. All right. Invoice. I have the items. I'm pulling them out now. I got lip scrubs, and I also got lip glosses. Lip scrubs are cute. And look at that little spatula to spoon it out. All right. This is what her card said. Her information looks like that. That's her business card. Back looks like that. The bags are so cute, super cute. Okay, I got a troll lip scrub. And then the other lip scrub is Bazooka. And they all are sealed with tape, so nothing spills. So, look like that. Let me open them. They're full to the tip top. Smells very good. I never use a spoon. I always just dig my finger and get some. And do that. Tastes good too. So that's the lip scrub. All right, I got some glosses. They all look like that, so I do have some glosses. Okay, so I got a Practical Magic lip gloss. Let's see. Looks like that. Smells like grape. Oh, not sticky. I can get with that. I don't like sticky lip glosses. Okay, and this is a Hot Girl Summer. See, it has glitters inside of it. And then this is the Jawbreaker one. Shipping was very fast. Communication was excellent. If you have issues or anything, you can just email the company. But these are it on my hand. I don't have anything else to say. Prices are reasonable. A lot of times she'll have a sale. Most of them are like $10. Sometimes she will run a sale, so go hop all over there and check them out. She has a lot of stuff on her site as well. Lip scrubs, lip glosses, has some jewelry and things of that nature. So hop all over and let me know what your favorite item is, and come back and comment below what's your favorite item over at Slay by Shaye. Alright guys, have a blessed day. Bye-bye.
My journey's up, but I stay high.